Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Thursday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special unboxing video. Not Amazon related today. This is coming from my good friends over at VIKING LAIR. Check them out. I have the links down below. You can check out their other goodies they have to offer. But definitely take a look at this item today and see what it's all about. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Here we are. And we have here, and everyone should have these. Definitely a nice one to have. VIKING LAIR. These are their RFID wallets. In case someone's trying to hack into your credit card, this will stop it. Trying to steal your information. Not with this thing. This will help you. Let's see how this is set up. Oh, you just pull it. Then you can put your debit card here, your license, ID. Alright, let's take a look. Got my old wallet. This is going into the garbage now. It's been through war. So we'll see what I can shove in there. ID, my casino card, which I can't use right now. Credit card, health insurance, all that good stuff. Dental card. And I think one of these will do it. Here. Plus you go put your social security card in here. Your enhanced driver's license, all that good stuff. Let's see. Grip. There we go. So just put your insurance and stuff like that. So anything with this magnetic strip you want to protect, this will help you protect your information. You never know these days. You just don't want to take the chance. You better be safe. I could just shove it in there. There we go. So I got a stack of cards right there. And then say your Visa and my license. Always just shove that up in the clip somehow. Give me 1 second. There we go. So, really cool. Definitely, guys, need to check them out. VIKING LAIR. And I'll leave the links down below. Like I said, all your cards you could shove in there. Or you can still shove these in here. You don't have that many cards. And use that like a belt buckle around your belt. Really nice gunmetal. Like the color. I like the logo too. Viking Raiders. VIKING LAIR. Really cool design. So definitely check them out, guys, when you guys have free time, and see what other items they have to offer besides this one. But look at that. Easy to use. Well made. Might want to get yourself a couple or for stocking stuffers, but see? There we go. VIKING LAIR. Check them out, guys. Alright, that's about it for today. You guys be safe. Have a good night, and hopefully see you back soon.